Hey everyone, today I will show you the easiest way to download mods in Minecraft quickly and without any confusion. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to subscribe to the channel and leave a like. It really helps a lot. Honestly, the simplest way to install Minecraft mods is by using Curseforge. It's a platform that gives you access to a huge library of Minecraft mods, mod packs, shaders, resource packs, and even custom worlds. Pretty much everything you might want from modded Minecraft is there. Now, if you don't already have Curseforge installed, I actually have a full tutorial on my channel showing exactly how to download and install it on your computer. But the quick version is simple. Just search for Curseforge on Google, download the app, and install it. The setup process is very straightforward. So, once you already have Curseforge installed and opened on your computer, here's what you need to know. On the left sidebar, you should see the Minecraft icon. If you don't see it yet, that usually means Minecraft hasn't been connected to Curseforge yet. Normally, when you open Curseforge for the first time, it automatically detects Minecraft on your PC. Then it asks you to connect your Microsoft account. What usually happens is that Curseforge gives you a code and opens a Microsoft login page in your browser. You'll sign in with a Microsoft account that owns Minecraft, enter the code shown inside Curseforge, and then approve the connection. After that, Curseforge will be authorized to manage Minecraft on your computer, and the Minecraft section will appear correctly inside the app. Now, if Curseforge doesn't detect Minecraft automatically, don't worry. You can still fix it manually. Just click the plus icon inside Curseforge and choose the option to scan your computer for games, or manually add Minecraft yourself. Once the game is detected, you'll be ready to install mods. Alright, so let's assume everything is working correctly and Minecraft is already connected. Click on the Minecraft icon in the left sidebar. Inside here, you'll see several sections. As you can see, I already have a mod pack installed. If you want to search for mods, you can use the search bar at the top. If you just want to explore and discover new content, go to the Discover tab. Here you can browse mods by category and find all kinds of content from Minecraft. There's also a Browse section where you can use filters to search more specifically. And it's not only mods. You can also download shaders, custom worlds, resource packs, and a lot more through Curseforge. You can sort projects by popularity, relevance, or total downloads. For example, if I sort by most downloaded, I'll immediately see famous mod packs like RLCraft and other popular packs that millions of players use. There's even a servers section where you can discover Minecraft servers and get their information directly through the app. Now, let's say I want to install RLCraft. All I have to do is search for RLCraft in the top search bar, click on it, and make sure it's the correct version. Sometimes they're copies or unofficial uploads, so it's always good to check. In this case, I can tell it's the real one because it has millions of downloads. Once you open the modpack page, simply click Install. Curseforge will automatically begin downloading everything for you. Then, if you go back to the My Modpack section, you'll see the installation progress there. When the download finishes, just click Play, and Minecraft will launch automatically with the modpack already installed and ready to use. If you ever want to see which mods are included inside a modpack, click on the modpack, go to Content, and you'll see the full list of installed mods. Now, another really cool feature in Curseforge is that you can actually create your own custom modpack. For anyone who doesn't know, a modpack is basically a collection of mods combined together into one setup. Packs like RLCraft include many different mods working together. To create your own modpack, click Create, choose a name, select the Minecraft version you want, and then pick your mod loader like Forge, Fabric, NeoForge, or even Vanilla. After that, click Create and your custom mod pack will be ready. To add mods to it, just click Add Content and install whichever mods you want. Now, one important thing to understand is compatibility. Some mods don't work well together, and some only work with specific mod loaders. For example, if you create a Forge mod pack, you need Forge-compatible mods. So honestly, if you don't want to spend time troubleshooting crashes or incompatibilities, I'd recommend just downloading a ready-made mod pack from the Browse section instead of building it yourself. But if you enjoy customizing everything yourself, Curseforge gives you all the tools to do it. And that's basically it. That's the easiest and fastest way to install mods in Minecraft using Curseforge. If this video helped you out, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a like for more Minecraft tutorials and guides.